Yo, we're on Cutthroat Ridge on the PCT here in the North Cascade National Park. 18 kilometers today, in and out, in the snow, out of the snow. There's a lot of snow. Enjoy. Car camping was fun last night, as you can see. Like on the top here, there's at least a couple of inches. Well, I'm pretty pumped about this. It's my first time on the old PCT. Headed north up to Canada. A lot of stuff is closed up there, so we're just doing a little bit. It's gonna be about 16 kilometers today on the Cutthroat Ridge. What's up? How's it going? I just ran into a hunter looking for some black-tailed deer, and in about 30 minutes the trail snow gets just like below the knee. So we'll see how far we get up there. I was really hoping to get the drone up. The snow's pretty fun to walk in, and so I'm gonna keep going. Every step is about to the lower part of my knee, upper shin, and it's making it that much harder to get through, but I'm almost there. I think I'm like a mile out, so we're just gonna keep on moving through. Woo! I will say though, the snow, even though it's harder to get through, man, it's doing wonders up and downhill on my ankles and knees. Shout out snow! Whoa. as you may have noticed, Cutthroat Ridge is evergreen. If you're looking for fall leaves, this is not the spot. Maple Pass across the highway is a good place to go. That was pretty popular last weekend. Might have been the last weekend. But Cutthroat is evergreen. Beautiful evergreen.
Cutthroat Pass. That'll do it, my friends. We've gone up 16K or 10 miles with an elevation change of about 2,000. As you saw, Cutthroat Peak is 8,500 feet. But for Cutthroat Pass, the highest point along that route is 6,800 feet. So I would say maybe not so much in advance, not an intermediate type of pass or trail, but given the snow, I'd say unless you have some experience and definitely the proper gear, don't do it, especially at the time that I went where it was like the first big snowfall of the month, of the year, which was just following up the smoke and fire for the end of the season summer hiking. So maybe the timing wasn't bad, but boy oh boy was it beautiful, and maybe those factors led into that there was really nobody else on the trail, which I absolutely loved. So you can get out there pretty easily from Seattle Center. It's about 3 hours. Take I-5 North, get on to 530 East, and then Highway 20 or State Route 20. This is the only highway that runs through North Cascades National Park. I car camped in the Maple Pass Loop parking lot. It's 24 hours. It's right across the highway from Cutthroat Pass. And also there's a 24-hour bathroom. So that's where I set up my car camp, and it worked out pretty well, minus the snow that you saw. This was just so amazing. I've never been in this kind of snow before, so I hope that these shots were inspiring to you and that you learned a little bit about how to get out to this trail, whether you're doing it in the winter snow or I guess we'll have to wait till the spring flowers start blooming to get up there again. But I just absolutely loved it, and I hope that you'll love it too. So happy hiking, and I'll see you next time. Peace.